Here, what will we be doing? Okay.
Pasta, pizza.
The seventh person always coming over alone.
Very hard. Second one is success.
Very fast. So we are a fast learner.
And we were resisting the external pressure, represented by one guy.
One more thing. One more thing.
Yes.
We are trusting each other. So we are playing as a team.
Very good. Then what else? What else?
Everyone was engaged, everyone had the same objective. We had a lot of fun.
Great experience. I tried to put what I have been watching my mother, my wife, doing in the kitchen into, but it worked very well.
Last time we're going to eat Italian food.